Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, let's start. What day is today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. And how's the weather is today? Cloudy weather? No. Sunny weather? Yes. Today is sunny weather. And we are doing the new letter and new sound. Today our letter is A. Letter is A. And sound is A. Letter is A. Sound is A. Start with me a poem. Big A, little a. What do you see? I see an apple looking at me. Big A, little a. What do you see? I see an aeroplane looking at me. Big A, little a. What do you see? I see an alligator looking at me. Big A, little a. What do you see? I see an ant. I see an ant. Ant looking at me. Children, children, what do you see? Children, children, what do you see? We see. Children, children, what do you see? We see an apple, an aeroplane, alligator, and an ant. They are looking us. They are looking us. Okay, I'll tell you a story. I'll tell you a story of ant and apple. Ant and apple and alligator story. This is very good story. Listen. There was a cute ant, cute ant, which had an apple. The apple was red. The apple was red. His friend, the alligator. Oh, alligator has gone. Alligator, where are you? Alligator, come here. Alligator, please come here. Oh, alligator want to eat the apple, but there is the apple. Oh, alligator, come here. We will give you the apple. Don't cry, alligator. Stand here. Alligator has gone. Alligator angry with us. Okay, alligator. No, don't cry. Okay. The friend, the alligator. His friend, ant friend, alligator. The ant gave him a bite of apple. Ant gave him. But alligator said, no, more apple, more. Ant gave him again. Take it, this apple, this, eat it. Alligator ate the apple. After ant and alligator ate the whole apple and they went away in the jungle. Bye bye.